Good morning, students. Today we have to start a new chapter, chapter number 14, Patterns and Symmetry. So let's start the chapter. First topic is pattern. So what are the patterns? Patterns क्या होते हैं? So a pattern is an arrangement of letters, shapes or numbers in a definite order. मीन्स जब कोई चीज़ पैटर्न क्या होते हैं? अरेंजमेंट, किसी भी चीज़ का अरेंजमेंट ऑफ लेटर्स, शेप्स और नंबर्स, जब वो एक डेफिनेट ऑर्डर में हो, मीन्स एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में हो, एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर को फॉलो कर रहा हो, सो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? पैटर्न. सो अ पैटर्न इज एन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ लेटर्स, शेप्स और नंबर्स इन अ डेफिनेट ऑर्डर. Each pattern has a rule. We can extend a pattern if we understand the rule. Suppose there is 4 numbers, 11, 22, 33 and 44. So we know that these are the multiple of 11. So we can extend the pattern with the help of rule, because it has a rule that these number are multiples of 11, or we add 11 and each number. Suppose this is 11, we add 11, so in that number, so this is 22, again we add, it is 33, and we can say these numbers are multiple of 11. So we continue this pattern. Suppose after 45, 55 will come, after this 66, 77, 88, that like this. So I hope you understand the whatever I want to say, that what is pattern. So a pattern is an arrangement of letters, shapes or numbers in a definite order. Let's observe some more pattern. So let's see here. This is also a pattern, because this is we already read that a pattern is an arrangement of letters, shapes and numbers. So this is a arrangement of letters. Now this is a shape, arrangement of shapes. So this is shape. These kind of shape repeated again. Suppose the circular ball stands here, but in next pattern when we add a next square, the ball comes here. Again left, right, left, then in next pattern, in next shape, this is in right. So this is a pattern made by figures or shape. Next one is observe the following pattern. So we add here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay. After this, we remove the first term and add the next one, which is 5 comes after 4 na. So add the next one and remove the first one. So again we add 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this is 14. After this, we again remove the first term of previous. So what is the first term of previous term? This is 2, then 3, 4, 5 and we add 6. So I hope you can understand what the pattern this question is followed. So that pattern is followed. The sum in each statement increases by 4. There is a difference of 4. So 10 to 14 plus 4, 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Then 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. So we can increase the pattern. Okay, we extend the pattern with the help of this thing, with the help of this rule which it followed. Okay, the next one is symmetry. So figures that can be folded into halves that overlap each other exactly are called symmetric figure. These patterns and symmetry you already studied in previous class, so you know the basics of patterns and symmetry. So what is the symmetry? Figures that can be folded into half and that overlaps each other exactly are called symmetric figure. Suppose we have this figure, okay, then we divided it in half. So in half means this, when we fold this like this, so this is completely overlap each other. and these center lines are called line of symmetry, means the whole line by which we fold this pattern, we fold this figure is called lines of symmetry. So these two lines are lines of symmetry. After this we have a pattern, and by knowing this pattern, by understanding this pattern, we have to fill these blanks. So first one is 6 multiply 3 is equal to 18. After this 60 multiply 3, it is 180. After this 600 by 3, 600 multiply by 3, it is 1800. Means we increase a 0. Okay, so when we increase a 0 in left side, zeros of right side are also increased. Is it clear? So the number when in 1,80,000 there are 4 zeros, so we also add 4 0 in 6 in left side. Is it clear? Then the next one is the next pattern, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Then what is 20 by 2? So it is 10. After this 200 by 2, it is 100. Then 2000 by 2, it is 1000. Means we clearly understand that after 1, this is the answer will be 10, then 100, and after this 1000, then 10,000. So same pattern, means when number of zeros increased in the left side, the number of zero also increased in right side. So what is their answer? Its answer is 20,000, because there are 4 zeros. So in 20,000 there are also 4 zeros. Then the answer is 20,000. So fill these blanks in your book. The next question is, draw the line of symmetry for the following figures. So we understand what is symmetry. Symmetry क्या होती है? तो symmetry जो इन फिगर को एग्जैक्टली 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करे, और जब हम इसको ओवरलैप करें तो एग्जैक्टली ओवरलैप हो. जब हम इसको ऐसे ओवरलैप करें तो ये एग्जैक्ट ओवरलैप हो. सो यू कैन सी द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इज लाइक दिस. अब देखिए, ये सेंटर पॉइंट से तो आपने लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बना दी. ठीक है, यू कैन सी दिस इज अ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. तो यहाँ से तो आपने लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बना दी, बट यू कांट मेक लाइक दिस, क्योंकि जब हमने वर्टिकल सिमेट्री बनाई, वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री ड्रॉ की, सो वी कैन ओवरलैप दिस in half, and this is exactly overlap. But when we draw it like this horizontal line of symmetry, this figure is irregular in both sides. Okay, so this is a single line of symmetry in this figure. After this, look at this, we can draw first line of symmetry. Okay, so when you overlap, this is completely overlap. After this, second line of symmetry. After this, third line of symmetry. So with the help of these lines of symmetry, you can overlap the figure. So these three are line of symmetry of that figure. After this, the line of symmetry in this figure is only vertical, because when we draw a horizontal line of symmetry, it is irregular. So I hope you understand the line of symmetry. Okay, then read this chapter by yourself also, and try to understand this with the help of video. Okay, so that's for all. Okay, thank you class.